Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best keyboard vacuum cleaners available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have ALPTHY Keyboard Cleaner. It is designed with a flashlight and can facilitate your cleaning in dark places or at night. It comes with a standard and a brush nozzle which can be used in different places, making a thorough cleaning. This upgraded 15000 mAh high-capacity lithium batteries enable the air duster to work for 50 minutes continuously on one charge. The rechargeable air duster designed with a 10 watts Type-C charging port makes it more easily to charge. You can use the Type-C cord of your phone or tablet with a 5V2A adapter to charge. The air duster allows more than 5,000 times of use, enables us to say goodbye to compressed air which can save gas and water. The built-in flashlight can facilitate your cleaning in dark places or at night. At number 5 we have FRUITEAM Keyboard Cleaner. The powerful Cyclone line vacuum cleaner uses 2200 mAh large-capacity lithium-ion battery, which can ensure up to 15 minutes of working time. Also LED indicates the charging status and remaining time. The vacuum cleaner can be fully charged within 3 to 4 hours. This QTime handheld vacuum cleaner is equipped with a high-quality filter. It comes with excellent filtering and dust removal effect, can filter and block PM 2.5 in stages. The lightweight car vacuum cleaner has 2 different nozzles which can achieve different cleaning purposes. It can clean in all directions without dead ends. The exquisite design can touch the keyboard desk and every corner of the car. At number 4 we have meco Keyboard Cleaner. It comes with 8 extra nozzle attachments, making it an easily maneuverable versatile device. It can be used for any of your expensive electronic devices such as your computer, keyboard, laptop, copy machine, medical equipment, camera, etc. There are 2 gears to adjust the speeds which can adjust the high to low. This electric computer duster has a powerful 250-550 watt blower motor for long-term use. This meco air duster having an extra long 10-foot cord and with a weight of only 1.9 pounds. It is easy to use and allows you to maneuver around easily. At number 3 we have meco Keyboard Cleaner. This rechargeable vacuum cleaner with 2000 mAh battery that provides powerful suction, cleaning dust, hairs, crumbs, scraps for laptop, mechanical keyboard, piano, makeup bag, car, pet, house. This cordless keyboard cleaner with rechargeable Li battery and be free to use it everywhere after 200 minutes charging. This 2 different vacuum nozzles allow you to reach the tightest spaces. This flat nozzle can inhale little pieces of paper while brush nozzle can dry ash and dust. It providing effective filter system. You can just open the dust collector and take the filter net out. And the filter media can be washed clean with fresh water then be reused. At number 2 we have ALPTHY Keyboard Cleaner. This ALPTHY electronic air duster can be widely used for cleaning computer, laptop, keyboard, camera, instruments, collectibles which traditional wiper cannot clean. This cordless air duster designs with a super powerful motor whose rotating speed can reach up to 36,000 RPM. It continuously produces a powerful thrust of air at 70 meters per second for deep cleaning of the microscopic dust. It is built-in 15000 mAh large-capacity rechargeable battery. This electric air duster spray offers nearly 40 minutes and 60 minutes of thorough usage per charge. This extended full palm gripping design makes it more comfortable to hold it when using. At number 1 we have meco Keyboard Cleaner. You can make small cleaning jobs quick and easy with this powerful handheld vacuum from meco. This cordless vac allows you to suck up everything from wood shovings to spoiled breakfast cereal in the kitchen or in the car. This cord-free and hassle-free design has freer movement. You can adopt the latest generation of fast charge technology and self-developed intelligent power management technology. This meco cordless vacuum can run constantly for 30 minutes with a charge of 4 hours. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best keyboard vacuum cleaners for your need.